I would recommend working at Urbacity for the great work environment. We have such a great team. We've got in-house designers. We have a great office team.
First off, the leadership is great. The tools are always top-notch. The benefits are great.
A 4-day work week is amazing. And having Friday off to do whatever you want, have a 3-day weekend every weekend, really, is a big plus.
A lot of training. We get all our tickets that we need in order, whether it's working at heights, WMIS, asbestos training even.
The benefits are great. I have 3 kids, so that's a big plus for me.
There's definitely a fair amount of mental health support. If sometimes you just need a day, there's never any questions.
Coworkers for Urbacity are all great. Everyone comes to work every day with a positive attitude.
The care that's given to us. I've worked for a lot of companies that honestly don't overly care if you make it home at the end of the day. Whereas here, everything's about being safe, doing things properly, and that means a lot at the end of the day.